Welcome to our latest Davinci Resolve tip video. In this video, we will show you a simple but fast way to add cinematic black bars to your videos in Davinci Resolve. For this example, I will use two clips. To add the effect to all the videos on the timeline, we need to add an adjustment clip on top of our clips. So, open the Effect tab at the top and search for Adjustment Clip. Now you can just drop it on the top empty layer of your timeline and extend it so it is equal to the length of the underlying clips. Your timeline should now look like this. Now, you need to open the timeline menu at the top and look for Output Blanking. Click on it, and now you can choose which black bars fits your project the best. You can even add vertical cinematic black bars if you want to. We hope you like this video, and if you want to buy the studio version of Davinci Resolve, use the Amazon link in the description, so we get a small fee.